Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This just arrived. So outside we have so this video is actually going to be, we're not wearing PJs today, we're just wearing normal clothes. This video today is actually just going to be for people that have a stock R1200GS with the liquid cooled motor. They want to throw a can on. That's what we're going to do. We're going to remove the stock can and put the Acra can on. We're going to do a couple of flybys with the stock can and the aftermarket one and a couple of startup tests. So the Acra headers are coming as well, but those are going to be a winter project because they require, well, they don't require moving the crash bars, but I'm going to take this whole bike apart down to the motor over the winter time. So I wanted to do the header thing later. So what I'll do is I'll do a second video in the springtime that shows the Acra header with the stock can, and then we'll do the Acra header with the Acra can, and we'll do that as a two-parter. So let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, hopefully this all stays in view. We have our box here. We're going to slide it out carefully. It is taped up with styrofoam. Ordering from Revzilla, this took an extra 3 days of lead time after placing the order, because I believe it had to be like shipped from Acra to Revzilla. They mailed it. They gave us a drop ship or a backfill kind of thing. So in the box we have warranty information, this ultra large sheet, which is probably most of it's in different languages. This is our slip-on product guide in like tons of different languages. And then finally we have, noise emissions warranty statements. So at the time of sale, it meets EPA federal noise standards. The warranty extends to the first person who buys the system for purposes other than resale. Do not tamper. And then final thing here is installation instructions. Very, very important. All kinds of stuff. There's serial number stuff. You'll need a T25, a T40, a T45, and a T-handle 13mm wrench. This thing is, guys, you don't need to read these instructions. Just watch this video, because it's easy. It's very, very easy. Don't even, just throw this on fire. And then we do have here a EC type approval certificate for non-original motorcycle exhaust. Oh, how to clean it. There we go. Finally, some maintenance information. Clean the titanium muffler outer sleeve with a multi-purpose spray, lubricant, WD-40 or equivalent, and carbon fiber outer sleeves with soft and dry cloth. Do not use aggressive chemical cleaners because they can damage the sticker. A change in the color of the exhaust system is normal due to higher temperatures. Yeah. The wearing out of the muffler silencer material depends on the type of the motor and riding style. Periodically make sure all the bolts are sufficiently tight. Let's check out this carbon fiber cover. So the GS has like an aluminum cover. This is kind of a carbon fiber Acra cover that you can get to accompany it. Which we actually won't be using this because the Acra headers come with their own cover. That's what I'm getting covered by Jet Hot. But here we go. Wow, it's very light. Light is carbon fiber. So that's pretty cool. I should stop making puns on this channel or jokes because people really take me seriously when I make jokes. It says do not cut, but we're going to cut anyway. Do not use automotive wheel cleaners or any cleaning products which contain acidic additives. There's this. Oh, wow, that is really nice. That is beautiful. That looks really, really good. It looks much better in person than I expected. Let's see, there's the same frame. I'm actually gonna put the camera around behind it. There we go. So look at this thing. You've got the carbon fiber there, and this I guess is a sticker, as they were saying about the abrasive cleaners. And then down here you've got the titanium materials down there. And then in here you can see the how you can remove the baffles. I will not be doing that because I want a little bit more pop, but I don't want anything too crazy. So the baffles will be staying in. Actually, it looks like the carbon fiber is a little bit scuffed right there. Can you see that? Maybe not. So let's actually go outside and I'll show you guys how to remove the stock can. The stock exhaust is so simple to remove. Really, really simple. So you've got, I think it's a T40 or T45 right here. Remove that out, back that out of there. And then you're also going to use a T25 × 3 to get this bolt, and this bolt gone. And then underneath, you'll see your 13 right there. This bolt right there sticking out to the left. That comes out. And then from there, you just shimmy, shimmy, shimmy the muffler right out, and you are done. You install the new Acra from there. It truly is very, very easy to install. So I don't think I'm gonna install it today. I think I'm gonna install it on Saturday, because right now it's 35 degrees outside. But I'll install it Saturday, and then we'll do some flybys, and you'll get to see this thing in action. Hopefully that sound worked okay. Here we go. This is not a cold start, by the way. Wow. That sounds good. So it is smoking a bit, but I'm going to assume that's normal. But smoke from nowhere else. The carbon fiber is definitely hot, but I guess when we get home, we'll make sure that's normal. It's coming, so when we get home, we'll check it out. Nothing I can do from here, just get home and hope it doesn't catch fire.